Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself cajoshikumar. In this video we are going to cover MAT, very important for exams. अगर इसमें से question आ गया तो you are not going to waste a single minute. All you have to do is add and reduce. Okay, calculate the book profit. On that you need to charge 15% tax. Don't forget the surcharge. Okay, now what all things that you are supposed to add and what all things that you are supposed to reduce, I'll help you with that in this video. So this video is purely from exam point of view. Watch it till the end. Okay, and I'm telling you, people who didn't subscribe, please subscribe and hit that like button. It gives me a lot of satisfaction. Okay, thank you. So let's see what all things that you're supposed to add first. In case if there is any deferred tax on the P&L debit side, add it. Deferred tax, same deferred tax credit side, reduce. Notional loss, okay, is talking about notional loss regarding business trust, add it. Notional gain regarding business trust, reduce. Expenses relating to income earned, उसके related कोई expenses हुए and that is debited to P&L account under section 10, 11 and 12, that you need to add back. Same, if you have earned any income exempt under section 10, 11 and 12, reduce. Okay, expenses relating to share income of AOP. Okay, and then share income from AOP, if it is credited to P&L, reduce it. Expenses relating to income, royalty income, for that related any expenses, that you need to add back. Same, royalty income from patents. Okay, now if you have earned any income from foreign company, capital gain ho gaya, interest, dividend, royalty, FTS, if that is debited, like you have earned any income relating to that, if there is any expense and that is debited to P&L, you will add back. Okay, and then actual income from foreign companies, capital gains and interest, dividend, royalty, FTS. Okay, so if that income is there, reduce it. Any amount transferred to any reserve. Okay, if you have transferred any amount to reserve from P&L, if you have debited to P&L, then add that amount. And any amount you have got it from reserve, okay, that you need to reduce, provided that should be created by through P&L only. That reserve should have been created through P&L. Okay, till here it is clear, no? What all things have been done? Your business trust is done, section 10, 11, 12 is done, AOP is done, royalty is done, and deferred tax is done, foreign income is done. Okay, and last one, reserve. Clear till here? Income, if it is credited to P&L, you should reduce. Any expenses for earning that income, if it is debited to P&L, add it. Done. Now next comes is all provisions. Okay, provision for uncertain liability, add it. Provision for loss of subsidiary, add it. Provision for diminution in value of asset, add it. Provision for income tax paid, okay, or provision itself, you need to add back. Here remember, these 2 points are critical. Okay, first of all, first one, what we said, amount withdrawn from any reserve, that should be created through P&L only that amount you will reduce. Next one, transfer from revaluation reserve. From revaluation reserve, any amount credited to P&L, that you will reduce to the extent of what? Depreciation. Got it? So this point, no, if you do the question, you will understand. Next, dividend proposed or paid, that also you should add back. And then total depreciation, this depreciation debited to P&L, that is as per Companies Act, that you will add back. Okay, as per Companies Act only, remember that. And in case if you have earned any profit from sick industries, that you need to reduce. I hope you will remember now clearly. And in case if you if you have understood anything, if this video was helpful, please hit that like and subscribe. देखो other deductions है, see depreciation. Here you are adding back the depreciation, right? Under add, what you are saying, total depreciation debited to P&L, you are adding back. That is also Companies Act depreciation only. Here you are reducing other deductions. Okay, depreciation you are reducing. This is also Companies Act only. But यहाँ पे there is one adjustment, except depreciation on revaluation of asset. In case if there is any revaluation of asset and on that there is a depreciation, that you will not reduce. Got it? Next one, brought forward loss or unabsorbed depreciation, whichever is lower you will consider. Okay, you will consider both of them in the following cases. Both you can deduct in the following cases. First one is, there is a corporate insolvency resolution process initiated. Okay, then you can take both. And then the other one is, board of directors are suspended under section 241 and 242 of Companies Act. In this case you can take both. Okay, not whichever is lower. Now then part 2, यहाँ पे what you got book profit. Okay, you took the net profit as per Income Tax Act and you calculated the book profit. And from here, in case for a company Ind AS is applicable, then there are 3 adjustments that you have to do. First one, you will start with book profits. Okay, for that, any items credited to OCI not reclassified to P&L, all those things you will add back. credited to OCI, not reclassified to P&L, you will add back, except for two things you will not add back these two: revaluation surplus as per Ind AS 16 and 38, change in fair value of equity instrument Ind AS 109. Okay, here you are crediting the same. If it is debited to P&L or not reclassified to P&L, again you will reduce all those except for these two: revaluation surplus under Ind AS 16 and 38, change in fair value of equity instrument under Ind AS 109. Yeah. Now the second point is about demerger. Amount debited to P&L on distribution of non-cash assets to shareholders. Any amount debited to P&L, then during demerger, that you need to add back. Amount credited to P&L on distribution of non-cash assets, this is also demerger, exactly opposite, that you need to reduce. Third point, last point, 1/5 of the transition amount that you should add back. 1/5 of the transition amount of conversion state. Okay, in case if it is having a credit balance. Okay, in case if it is having a debit balance, no, you will reduce it. Simple. So that is about your math. Please do questions immediately, and in case if this video is helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thank you all so much.